everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm actually doing another mock idea and this one is actually special. So I created a Lego Thermocol motorized boat and today I'm going to show you all about it and test it with you guys. So let's go into that boat, shall we? So now let's do a test drive with our Thermocol boat in the water. So now let me explain how my Lego Thermocol boat works. And it's actually quite easy just for being a small boat. So as you can see, I actually stacked up my motors on top and put gears to make it run through two axles, which will be shown a little bit later once the cameras turn around. So let me show you my system. So right now you can see that there's like this small box in between and there's the gears I told you about before. So in that small box is actually two bevel gears that connects to the two propellers. Those two propellers will go through an axle that will go through a 40-tooth gear, and that's also connected by two bevel gears. And those bevel gears are actually 12-tooth gears, just one if you wanted to know. So the 40-tooth gear, where I was, is going to go down to a 20-tooth gear, and then going down to an 8-tooth gear, which is going to be really fast. So now let me explain the rudder steering. And the rudder steering works also in a very similar way. As you can see, the rudder is actually connected with the same bevel gear technique, but the one is actually 20 gears actually. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you later. Bye!